The instrument cluster in your Genesis GV60 is located right behind the steering wheel and displays important information when operating your vehicle. The instrument cluster can be set in two different display modes: Type A with an analog style speedometer, or Type B with a digital style interface. To select between the two types of displays, press this button on the steering wheel. Type A view mode uses a separate analog speedometer and charge power gauge. Type B combines the two, with a digital speedometer inside of the charge power gauge. The power section of the ring will indicate how much energy is being used during acceleration. The charge section of the ring indicates the charging status of the motor. For both types, the distance to empty, or DTE, indicator will be just below the speedometer. DTE estimates how many miles the vehicle can travel according to how much power is left in the battery. Battery state of charge can be found in the lower left corner and displays how much energy remains in the main battery pack. To the right of the parking brake indicator icon, you will find the outside ambient temperature gauge. The transmission gear position indicator can be found to the upper right of the speedometer and displays what gear the vehicle is in. In the center is the cluster view mode display. By pressing this switch up or down, you can toggle through the different cluster view modes, including normal, driving assist, map, and wide map views. Below and to the right of the cluster view mode display is the regenerative braking level indicator. Here you can see the ready state of the vehicle, as well as the currently selected level of regen braking. In Type A mode, the normal view mode will display the cluster widgets in the center. In Type B mode, the cluster widgets will display in the center or the right side, depending on the currently selected view mode. The optical mouse button on the right side of the steering wheel can be pressed to enter into widget mode. Swiped up or down and left or right to navigate through the cluster widgets, and then pressed again to exit. This button can also be held down to hide or show the widget display in the cluster. To adjust the brightness of the cluster, press the illumination control switch located on the left side of the dashboard. Note that the illumination control switch simultaneously adjusts both the cluster and the interior switches. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.